Hello everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks. It's once again the other host, Jack. Oz is behind the camera.
I'm over here. I don't have any pants.
Do we have pants on?
Not if we're doing keto food. Keto means no pants.
Keto means no pants. Anyway.
I don't speak Greek, but I think that's what it means.
Anyway, we're trying to do something keto today. It's called garlic chicken... Butter garlic chicken or garlic butter, something like that. Anyway.
Vampire killing blade in chicken form.
Yeah, vampires will not like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so we have a few things here. We have about 4 chicken breasts.
Yeah, usually only need 2, but we can always pick.
Yeah, we doubled it. We got our head of broccoli, some lemon juice, and some butter. We're using 2 tablespoons halved, some garlic, and some seasonings. We got garlic powder, Italian seasoning, whatever that is, and some oregano, and water.
It's that fluff you scrape off the Italians.
Yeah, so first you got to kind of make the tree gods angry here, so we're going to have to cut this up. You want the tops.
But you got kitchen shears, though, so that's kind of cheating.
Yeah, the kitchen shears help a lot. Getting in there with a knife is kind of a pain in the ass, but kitchen shears work pretty good for this. You can do what you want with that, but for this recipe we're not using it. Now, we want the very tips, so you're going to have to get in here and tear it apart.
Made Treebeard sad. A wizard should know better than to tear down the trees.
Poor trees. Alright, so next up is you want to grate or do whatever you can to make your garlic small. So I'm going at it with a grater here.
I usually make fun of their mothers. It makes them feel smaller.
What?
No.
Anyway, after all that stuff's taken care of, you want to get your breast. And you want to cut it into... you can cut it however you want.
You trim the fat off of that, right?
Yeah, I trim the fat off. I ended up putting the fat in anyway, but I usually trim it off first.
Well, you don't want to taste, the chicken when you want to eat broccoli, so you just leave the fat on.
Yeah.
Now, originally it was said just you leave it as a whole chicken breast to split it, but this cooks a lot better.
This cooks a lot better. I prefer smaller pieces of chicken, the larger.
I've seen the women you date.
What?
That was out loud. I'm sorry.
Oh. So olive oil here.
So we use olive oil because it was keto.
Yeah,
right?
we're trying to be keto.
Okay. And then we added the butter to it for the flavor and stuff.
Yeah, I suppose. I don't know. The recipe just called for butter, so hey, butter.
That's better than just tasting that kind of stuff.
And add your chicken.
So, now, does it have to be in the cast iron? Or is that just what we use?
It does not have to be cast iron. It's just what we had on hand. It was also big enough to hold all the food.
Right, and if you want to know how to clean it, we'll put a link down the doobly-doo how we cleaned and restored some of these, man.
Yeah. Go ahead and season your chicken. You can do it now. You can do it later. I like to do it while it's cooking because it kind of sits in better.
Right.
It doesn't go away.
Got to get the oregano and the basil.
Oregano, basil, garlic powder. We're trying to brown our chicken here.
Or at least cook it through. What's the temperature you want on the inside of it?
I have no idea.
Like 265?
No, it's like 165. Don't quote me on that. I could
get like 300. That way it's nice and
it's definitely
cooked
done.
all the way through.
So it's starting to finish here, but there's still some parts where it's a little
just put
chickeny.
the meat on the metal. Make sure it's not pink anywhere and not super wiggly when you grab it in the middle.
Yeah. Just got to give it some time. It's chicken. Alright, so now we want to take this out, but we want to keep all the juices, so you can't just pour it.
Alright, add some more of the butter.
Yep, another tablespoon of butter.
So it's a tablespoon at each time.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Right, add your garlic. So we're going to saute this a little bit.
Oh, it smells good right here.
Yeah, so go ahead and go ahead and season it. You can let it sit for about 2 minutes, maybe less.
Alright.
Just play these and rubbing around the butter so it doesn't burn.
And you added the red pepper flakes in it.
Yes, added red pepper flakes. And now we're trying to cook our broccoli somewhat. For tree people.
Well, I don't know about broccoli, don't get me wrong, but you can tell when it's cooked, like when it's not.
Yeah.
Like it's just straight hard and like horrible and there, and then the rest of the time it's not like completely wilty.
So here's lemon juice, about 2/3 or 1/3, I don't know, something along those lines.
1/3
and a quarter of water. I didn't think I'd have to add water, but the broccoli just absorbed everything that was already in there.
And it helps you.
Yeah.
So you stir that around, and it's what, like 10-15 minutes at the most. Gets it nice and cooked all over where it's starting to wilt a little bit.
Mm-hmm. If you're into cooked broccoli.
Yeah,
I prefer my broccoli raw. It's like the only way I actually eat
I do too, but I know a lot of people that don't want it like it's full cooked to a wilt. They want it still kind of crispy when you're cooking it, like not full on steamed. Whereas,
it's just personal preference,
it.
really, however you want to do this. So yeah, just add your chicken to your broccoli, and it's good to go at this point.
I guess that's why you cook it separately, man. So if like you want your chicken cooked all the way through, but you don't want your broccoli to wilt, and stuff, you can do it that way.
It's pretty easy. It's pretty good, actually. We were using it as a finger food for almost
it's cheap, and I made a whole bunch of that stuff. That was our humongous skillet, man.
Yeah, it's a 12-inch skillet.
We got so much left over and stuff. We're going to be eating it for a week, but that was good stuff. The citrus really brought it out. Like, you didn't have to salt it a lot.
The lemon juice was great.
So that was great.
And so, there you have it. Our, as far as I know, keto-friendly...
That means no pants!
Thing.
I still got no pants on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not what keto means after recording this. But yeah, anyway, it should be keto-friendly. It looks pretty damn good. But I don't eat broccoli, so yeah, you can have fun with that one, honestly. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. You can find us here Tuesdays and Fridays, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. We're also on YouTube under this, Facebook under the same name, Patreon under the same name, Instagram, what's our Instagram?
Pinterest, and then Instagram is at Living Between.
At Living Between.
It's a shortened version. It's without the pants. It's the keto version.
Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.